Hi, this is Professor Pistone here, and today I want to talk a little bit about discussion boards. We take we use discussion boards a lot in this course, and we think it's really important and it's a central way for us to build community. So, one of the reasons that we use discussion boards is we want you to be able to exchange your ideas and your perspectives with other class colleagues in the course. Another reason that we use discussion boards is to give you an ability to reflect upon and think through your responses to questions. You know, in a Socratic dialogue, sometimes you don't have a chance to reflect or be thoughtful before you answer a question. In a discussion board, you can really think about your response and organize it in a organized, insightful way. And you should feel free to find research outside of the course and bring it into the discussion board and share whatever you'd like to with your class colleagues. Another good thing about discussion boards is it gives you an opportunity to practice giving feedback to others, useful, constructive criticism, useful advice to other students. And this is a really important skill as an advocate because as an advocate, you're going to reach out to people in your community to ask them for advice and feedback. And you want to be able to provide useful feedback to others as well. So having the ability to practice that in a class is really valuable. You know, the immigrant community is particularly known for being very supportive of each other. And so getting into the habit of sharing your ideas and your perspectives with others in your community is really important and part of what we want you to practice through the discussion boards. Of course, the discussion boards also provide an opportunity to engage in critical thinking and to see the world through the eyes of another, because you'll be able to hear through your through your class colleagues' reflections and submissions to the discussion board. You'll be able to learn from them and see how they approach a particular problem. We might ask you in the discussion board to actually take a position and respond to a situation from a particular perspective. And in those cases, we want you to practice seeing the world through the eyes of another and trying to come up with an argument that would support a particular position. So the discussion boards are basically places where you can share your opinions, where you can be thoughtful and reflective before having to share them with your class colleagues. And it also gives you an opportunity to hear the words of others, to build community, and to reflect on and respond to what your class colleagues say in their discussions. I hope you enjoyed the discussion boards. I learn so much from them, and I see that students in the past have really learned a lot from their class colleagues through the discussion board process. So I hope you take it seriously and engage in thoughtful discussions through that forum. Enjoy.